Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. When a ketone reacts with an alcohol under acid catalysis, TSOH, in the presence of molecular sieves to remove water, it forms an acetal or ketal. Molecular sieves drive the equilibrium toward acetal formation by absorbing the water produced. Moving on to the next step. Identify the reactants. The ketone is acetone, propan 2-1, CH3COH3, and the alcohol is isopropanol, CH3-CHO. Moving on to the next step. Mechanism of acetal formation. Under acid catalysis, the carbonyl oxygen of acetone is protonated, making the carbonyl carbon more electrophilic. One molecule of isopropanol attacks to form a hemiketal. Loss of water, facilitated by molecular sieves, gives an oxocarbenium ion. A second molecule of isopropanol attacks to give the acetal, ketal, CH3 to COCH, CH3 to 2I, 2 bis, isopropoxy, propane. And for the final step, identify the product structure. The product is an open-chain acetal. The central carbon, originally the carbonyl carbon of acetone, now bears two methyl groups and two OCH, CH3, two isopropoxy groups. This is a quaternary carbon with two methyls and two isopropoxy substituents. Match two options. Option A shows a diethyl acetal, ethoxy groups, which would require ethanol, not isopropanol. Incorrect. Option B shows a three-membered ring with two oxygens and a CH-methyl unit. This is a strained cyclic structure not consistent with simple acetal formation from a ketone and alcohol. Incorrect. Option C shows a five-membered or open-chain structure where a central carbon bears two methyl groups and two isopropoxy, OC-Me2 or OCH-Me2 groups. This matches to 2 bis, isopropoxy, propane, the acetal of acetone with isopropanol. Correct. Option D shows a three-membered ring, epoxide type, with isopropoxy substituents strained and not the product of simple acetal formation. Incorrect. The 62% yield with molecular sieves and TSOH at 0 degrees Celsius is consistent with ketal formation under mild conditions with water removal. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.